My name is Greta Van Zandt. I taught second grade for 31 years. I remember going to several doctors and complaining about how my back was bothering me. And he says, well, you have scoliosis. I would write on the chalkboard at school. I couldn't stoop. I would literally get on my knees when I was down low on the chalkboard. In 2014, I had total knee replacement on my right knee. I saw in the newspaper one day this full-page ad, and I thought, I've gone for therapy following this knee replacement and this knee replacement. I thought this would be a good thing for me. Many of these exercises are such simple things. A lot of it was just, sitting and moving. For instance, even sitting in a chair, but being able to get up 10 times, all completely on your own. I learned a lot of things that never had been mentioned when I was doing therapy for the knees. Standing on the stair and dropping your heel a little bit, just kind of to stretch areas of the leg. They know exactly how to pinpoint, certain problems. The total time of attending the classes was 6 weeks. I was feeling differences, really immediately. The first week, I'm aware that just working out in the yard or even walking the dog, I feel that I'm able to be out there for longer periods of time in a comfortable state. I don't have to do all of the garden work by being totally bent over this way. Going to those classes just made me stronger. I feel it improved my posture. I notice when I'm driving, I sit up taller and straighter than I used to. When my 6 weeks were over, I really miss seeing those people. Anytime I've had a telephone conversation with them, it's like this long-lost friend that you used to go and see all the time. You just felt like you kind of knew everybody. Everybody is very warm and friendly, and you feel like you're part of a family. I've talked highly about orthopedics and balance. I feel it's such a valuable experience. It has been for me, and I know it can be for others. Make your life better with OBTS.